There's a weird scratching noise coming from the advances in the hallway. Let's listen. It's over here too. It's like little things are scratching around, walking up there. I heard rumors there was rats. These may be the ones going through the walls. It's so quiet here. It hasn't been this quiet on a Friday night in at least 4 or 5 months. But yeah, it's dead silence and you hear them in the walls here. It's that bad here in the walls. One right here. One right here, it sounds like. So yeah, I think this place has rats or mice. I heard rumors. I heard rumors about it, but I've never witnessed it down here. 4th floor. People said they're up there, but I think they're climbing. Hear that? Yeah, you can hear them all up in here on the top here. There's nobody walking around. Just hear that? Yeah, this place has some issues. And see, the scary part is I'm hearing it all down here, all same thing. That's right back there. Once again, our favorite doorstop. I should be getting paid to do security's job, but it's okay, I'll do it. Oh, shit. Oh. That's as far as I'm gonna take it. The door's shut. Let's make sure here. No, they didn't. Oh, that's the minor thing. Okay, now they're shut. This is the other side of the hallway in first floor Trenton. Those little knocks we were hearing in the other side isn't as bad over here, but then again, that just might be luck. Here, I'm gonna do this. When they hear me, the noise stops. So if we go down here now, they're getting loud again. Now it's loud again. Right there. Or sorry, right there. Right there. But it's really bad when you get down to the center of my hallway. Wow, look at that. I really don't want to stick my hand up in there. Wow, this is the first time I've been able to hear this here. Yeah, up and down here. Mainly right there. It chills out down here by my place. Yeah, there's one right here. One right here. Yeah, it's nice and kosher. You can hear them. Now you hear the thump thump. That's somebody walking. Hear that? Thump thump thump. Anyone in the room? Now I start again. Hear them right here. One right here. Right here. Yeah, room right there. See, that's somebody walking. Thump, thump, thump. This is a rat chewing. Right here. And you have all up in here. All up in here. Sorry about the volume. If you raise your voice, they go quiet. That's why I took my shoes off. Watch. Flip flop. Oh, no, there's one right here. Yeah. You can feel it. But you don't hear that over in front of my place. And we don't hear it here. Jeff's still here. Thank you. Smells really good at 1 in the morning in front of my place. Thank you, Avantis. Well, I am impressed. This is the first quiet Friday night I have had in this place in the last 4.5 months. I don't know if people just thought it's now a little bit colder, so they don't want to do it, or I don't know what it is, and I don't care. But it's a lot quieter, and I appreciate it. So I'm just walking around, and yep, there's that light that barely works. On, off, and look at that. That looks like the safest fucking job in the world. That's a security light, folks. It shorts out every 10 minutes. Door's still open down there. Thank God. I mean, we wouldn't want anyone not be able to get in, huh? Now, let's see if we'll hear scratchings again. Scratching. Here it is. because I made noise to quiet down. So, wow. Wow, this is the quiet it's been in 5 months on a Friday. I love it. This is all I asked for. I mean, come on. But that scratch, I heard people have told me that they've had rats on the other floors. I'm wondering if that's how they're scratching and getting through everything. I'm gonna post this up, and you tell me what you think it might be. I know it's not somebody walking. We already distinguished that. That sounds like something scratching and chewing. This is Cannabis Medic saying I'm gonna catch some shut-eye, and I'll see you tomorrow. This is my life at the Advantis.